Good morning. Today we are going to talk about times around the world. So in this video I'm going to explain how it works. Okay, here you have the world map. So here this it says noon. Noon it's 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so this 0 it's 12 o'clock. To the left, we have -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. To the right, we have +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, etc. For example, if I want to know what time is it on Buenos Aires, here I'm going to locate here on the 0 or the noon. Here is 12 o'clock, 12. Here it's 11, 10, 9, 8. For example, here in Buenos Aires, it's like 7:45, I think, more or less. Okay. Then the next one here. Always I'm going to locate in 0 or noon. Here, for example, what time is it in Moscow? Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3. More or less here it is. It's Moscow, it's like 2 o'clock. Okay, so this is how it works. You're going to locate and you need to count. To the right it's more, to the left, sorry, it's less. So here is 12, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right it's plus, to the left it's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, I hope it's clear, and do your work, please. If you have troubles or doubts, you can ask in WhatsApp.